Character is like a tree, and reputation its shadow. The shadow is what we think it is, and the tree is the real thing. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. My best friend is a person who will give me a book I have not read. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. I laugh because I must not cry. That is all. That is all. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his aren't very new after all. I have been driven many times upon my knees by the overwhelming conviction that I had nowhere else to go. My own wisdom and that of all about me seemed insufficient for that day. No man is poor who has a godly mother. All that I am or ever hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. If I were two-faced, would I be wearing this one? Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. Whatever you are, be a good one. The best way to predict your future is to create it. You can fool some of the people all of the time, and all of the people some of the time, but you cannot fool all of the people all of the time. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. There are no bad pictures. That's just how your face looks sometimes. I can see how it might be possible for a man to look down upon the earth and be an atheist, but I cannot conceive how a man could look up into the heavens and say there is no God. I would rather be a little nobody than to be evil somebody.